top, write the word ratio. Ratio. Everything you learn about ratios, but we're afraid to ask. Ratios is really just comparing or a relationship between numbers. Relationship between numbers. And I suppose the easiest thing to do would be to do an example and then talk about it. For example, here, the ratio of boys to girls in 6th grade is, how many girls are there in 6th grade?
4.
4 to
8.
8. Ratio of boys to girls. Here is the deal with ratios. Okay. First of all, remember this, that order is important. Order is important. There are 3 different ways to show ratios. Generally speaking, well, we use the fraction form, which would be this. Boys to girls, there are, wait, how many girls are there?
4.
Oh, sorry, I have this backwards now. Because order is important. Because I gave boys first, boys have to be first there to girls. The ratio of boys to girls is 8 to 4, so the ratio of boys to girls would be written like this, 8 over 4. Or you can use the words and say 8 to 4. Or sometimes you'll see it with a colon between it, 8 to 4. Okay, so the order is important in the sense that in the problem, the first one given is the first number given. Boys to girls, boys to girls. Has to be that order that's important. The second thing is you do need to reduce. Okay, so I can't leave it the way that I put it there because those numbers could be reduced. 8 over 4 is the same thing as 2 over 1 if you reduce that fraction. Or 2 to 1. Or 2 to 1. There are 2 boys for every 1 girl, is that not right? That's correct. And 3, the third thing to remember is this is the one and only time where, okay, improper fractions are acceptable. Improper is okay. You do not want to make that just the number 2 because it doesn't make any sense. The ratio of boys to girls can't be 2 because that doesn't make any sense. It's 2 to 1. 2 boys for every 1 girl. Okay. So you got to remember the order. You do have to reduce, but if it ends up being improper, you need to leave it as improper. Don't change it to a mixed number, which we've done in the past. So let's do another example here. A team lost 3 games and won 7 games. A team lost 3 games and won 7 games. What question might we ask? What was the team's win-loss ratio? What was the team's win-loss ratio? Again, as we said, order is important. So when you do this, when you write this out, and unless otherwise specified, do it as a fraction, you need to put wins on top because it's given first, and the losses on the bottom because it's second. Lost, how many did they win? They won 7 games. To how many did they lose? 3 games. Can you reduce that? You cannot, so there is your answer. Their win-loss ratio is 7-3. 7 wins for every 3 losses.
Is that not just mesmerizing?
Yes, good, perfect. Now, take out another blank piece of paper.